When I think about building links, I think every tactic falls under that Joe has mentioned. Like whatever way you're using to get them, that's building links. So whether it's black hat, gray hat, white hat, whatever, you're like, I need links. And you don't really
Right.
care about how you're getting them, you want them, okay? Earning links to me is, I want the link, obviously. Like I know that the link is indicative of the authority that I'm building, but I want to be deserving of it and create something of value to users, like real people, to get a more organic way of earning it. Because not only does that tend to lead to better links and more sustainable link earning over time, you're creating really great stuff to do it, which means there's like a ton of other benefits that come along with it that also improve your authority. So it's mostly a mindset difference. It's instead of just thinking only of the results, it's going back to like, why are we trying to build links in the first place? Just to gain Google and increase your rankings. It's to show everybody, like, I know what I'm talking about. So what can I create to show that? And then you're earning it. Like it's the middle step and a specific way of going about it that I know it's tempting to skip because you want the link right now. You want to just throw some money out there and get them, but it doesn't end up having, in my opinion, I think you can see results from that quickly, but I don't think they're lasting. And I don't think you're building a brand or authority in the same way as you would doing it the earning way.